What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a new video, guys. So today we got a kind of an interesting video. So we heard back from BMW about the F30 and we got some interesting news regarding that. Some good and some bad news. So I'll go ahead and explain that just in a little bit. Right now we are heading over to Nor's place and he's gonna help me tow the BMW back over. We're gonna take it over to Erlan's place. So huge shout out to my boys, Nor and Erlan, for helping me out with this today. I really appreciate them. But yeah, so we're gonna go pick up the F30 and then talk about what's been going on with it. So yeah, let's go ahead, head over to Nor's place real quick. Alrighty guys, so we just pulled up to Nor's house. We got Nor over here, you already know.
What's up, guys?
So we do have to take the trailer because we are picking up the F30 with the trailer. For now, we're gonna load up the trailer, head over to BMW and pick up the F30, and we'll go from there. So let's go do that real quick. Alrighty? Oh, what kind of sketchy stuff was that?
Baby.
Good thing I was recording that because that was freaking funny. Yeah, guys, pretty much we couldn't.
Smarter, not harder.
Yeah, literally, we couldn't lift it up, so I was just jumping on the back, and I guess it worked.
It was Erlan's idea. It worked out.
Erlan the genius. Alrighty guys, the car doesn't have enough power to actually just drive up on its own, so we gotta use the winch. Alrighty guys, so we got the car on, now we just gotta strap it down. But I think for now, we're just gonna go do our thing, strap it in, and then talk to you guys in the car and head over to Erlan's house. So let's go do that real quick. Alrighty guys, we made it to Erlan's house. Erlan's just checking a few little things real quick because you guys didn't see it on camera, but when we pulled it out, Erlan was messing with it and it actually sounded really healthy when it was running. So maybe it's more good news, but we'll have to see. We're just testing a few things out, guys. Good. Let it crank. Got the magician Erlan over here. Knows exactly what he's doing with everything, I'm telling you. Sounds way better.
It sounds a lot better.
Sounds way better. What the frick? That's how
like a normal N20.
That's how the N20s sound. What the heck? What the frick? What the frick? Are you serious? Are you serious? That sounds so healthy like that.
Oh,
like it sounds like an N20.
Oh yeah.
What the fuck?
I like it. Well, I think it pulls on shit. This guy, crazy money. Oh, hear it dying?
Yeah, I hear it dying.
Running a lot better.
It was running a lot better though.
No, it's already like, it's still running a lot better even with the misfire. What did you do differently just now?
Just different spark plug. Different spark plug and different.
Damn, that thing was running pretty dang solid.
It was
bro.
nice, huh?
Nah, dude, don't even replace it. If anything, fix it. I think it's a pretty solid motor.
Yeah. What the heck? all you did was swap out one of the spark plugs, right?
Yeah, spark plug of the BAP cylinder. It was running good for a little bit. The question is, did it start running bad because there was excess fuel? Like, did the injector dump too much fuel in there?
Yeah.
To make it act up? Or was it falsely fixed? I don't look too bad. Don't smell too bad either. Let me get the code ready.
Bro, it was actually running nice. What the freak?
It was running like a normal N20.
Like it sounded like an N20. They always sound like garbage, but they still though.
I was quite freaking shocked.
What the heck, guys?
Bro,
that gives me high
hopes. If you can
for
drive this thing home today, how crazy would that be?
I owe you guys lunch and dinner, like I said.
You better tip that guy. Like, I don't even. The thing is, that's the thing that's crazy. This dude worked at BMW, and BMW, like, they don't check anything, bro.
They don't check.
Like, they literally
codes.
like, let's first do fuel injectors. It's gonna cost you $1,800, and then we'll see what happens. I'm like, dude, that wasn't even the fuel injector issue.
Yeah, they just want to get money. What the heck?
Again, we're talking to, you know, this is still kind of soon. Let's see what our long diagnosis
happens.
But this guy works some magic.
But it's been like 20 minutes and it already sounds way better.
Yeah, he's done way better than what BMW has done in 2 weeks.
Literally, guys, the car's been there 2 weeks, and they just told me all the issues it has, and they quoted me $7,300. They told me $7,300, and then they still don't even know what's wrong with it. Like, they just wanted the money out of it. Still running a little bit rough right now.
Which was the one that came out of it, not this one, this one.
Yeah. It's really burnt up.
Yeah, sparkling.
That sounds so good. What the heck? It's hesitating a little bit. Yeah, still has it. Yeah. But wouldn't it stay anyway? And 26, gang.
Damn, bro, they be asking arms and legs.
Yeah, they want 3,500. The cheapest one I found was 3,500.
Gator?
No. Running. It already sounds way better than how it was. Car looks good too.
You guys need any cars diagnosed at this location? This is Erlan's dealership. Best diagnostic cost around.
Put me on video like this.
Shoot, bro.
Should've let me know, man.
My bad. He's the magician though. Go follow this boy on Instagram and YouTube.
You want to take everything out and take it out for a spin?
The high pressure fuel pump might be failing too, actually. That could be an issue.
Any codes for that or no?
Well, he has fuel cut faults.
How much are those?
Now it's misfiring a little bit.
Yeah, I hear it in the back.
What cylinder do you think it is? You know how to diagnose it when it's running?
No.
So watch. 1, it's gonna run worse. Plug it back in. 2, it's gonna run worse. You plug it back in. 3, worse. 4, worse. Plug it back in.
So what does that mean? That means they're all good.
Yeah, so now it's just like something else causing a slight misfire, because it's just a slight misfire now. Before it was a serious.
Bro, before it was really bad.
Oh, that's smoking. Bro, you think it has proper oil in there?
I think that's exhaust gases.
Yeah, how the heck is that in the engine?
I can see it is toasting.
Did we just see the exhaust pipe come out of the cap?
What the frick does that mean?
Let me look that up. I've never seen it before. Skin focus.
I guess go driving.
I mean, it's been running for like 3 minutes. All right, guys, so pretty much we're just driving it until a check engine light pops up so we can kind of see. I mean, it's driving. I mean, it definitely has a misfire coming from somewhere. I just don't know exactly where. But I mean, hey, this is the best it's driven since we've had it. Like, literally, it's actually driving and it's not dying. It's driving pretty good. Wait.
No check engine yet?
Should I keep driving it?
Keep going on the block.
No vlog?
All right. You guys want to go with me?
Nah, go for it.
Still no check engine. Alright guys, so it is a few days later right now. I have the paperwork, everything that the F30 actually needs. They ended up quoting me $7,300 to replace everything that's wrong with the car, which is just absurd prices for something that, like, little things that are just not that big of a deal. So let me go ahead and go over what they quoted $7,000 for. Alrighty guys, so the first thing that they quoted was the spark plugs. So there are 4 spark plugs because it is a 4-cylinder engine. Quoted me $515 just to replace spark plugs, which, if you guys know, spark plugs are like $8 each, like $10 max each. So ridiculous price, guys. $515 to replace that. It's literally so easy to do that. Literally just pop out ignition coils, put in a spark plug socket, pull out the spark plugs, and that's cake. Like, it's so easy to do, and they're charging $515 just for that. They're charging fuel injector replacement only on 2 injectors. For 2 injectors only, they're quoting $1,700 just for injectors, which I guess makes sense, but at the same time, like, injectors though, they're $1,700 to replace injectors. Like, that's crazy. That's actually insane, guys. Like, these prices are really just way overpriced. They are charging for 4 ignition coils, $497. Literally all you do is unplug them, pull them out, put in new ones, plug them in, and that's it. Like, it's so easy, guys, and they're charging almost $500 for that. $500. It literally takes like 5 minutes to do that. $500, that's crazy. Quoting me for the windshield, like, cowl, so the rubber sealing around the windshield, they're quoting me $387 just to replace that. They are quoting me to replace the battery, replace and register the battery. They're quoting me $564. $564 to replace a battery. Like, you gotta be kidding me, guys. Like, what are these insane? These prices are stupid. They're quoting me for all new 4 tires because the tires are kind of worn. They do need to be replaced. So I already know that, but they're quoting me $1,096, $1,100 just to replace tires. Like, I get it. Tires are very expensive depending on which ones you go with, but bro, $1,100 to replace tires. Like, that's crazy. For alignment, they're quoting me $229 for an alignment. Both motor mounts are bad, like a flange nut, a Torx bolt replacement, quoting me $1,222, so $1,222 to replace the motor mounts, which is, like, if you don't have the right tools, I could see how it would be difficult, but at the same time, $1,200 to replace, like, just engine mounts, just engine mount alone, just that alone, they're quoting that much. I don't know, these prices blow my mind. Just a ton of other random stuff like hydro bearing, hexagon screw flange, combination nut. They're quoting me $759 for some random just bushings. Okay, so front thrust arm bushing leaking. So, okay, that's replace both thrust arm bushings. Okay, I get that, but $759, like, literally for everything. So total labor, they're charging me $33.97 for the labor. And for parts, $3,641. and subtotal is $7,038 plus $282 for tax, which is a grand total of $7,320.72 for everything. So just for some basic little things, like nothing even really crazy, like $7,000, like just for a bunch of random easy to replace things. Like it's not even anything crazy and they're charging that much. So I don't know, I'm just letting you guys know that you can save a ton of money just by fixing stuff yourself. Like honestly, buy a nice tool set, invest the money, buy the parts yourself, and replace the parts yourself as well. Like honestly, this is more just like giving you guys encouragement to actually just replace things yourself. Like get a little bit, get your hands dirty, you know, get some stuff done. Like realistically, spark plugs and ignition coils are super easy. So like that, they're charging me $1,000 just for those things, and it would take me literally 30 minutes to replace all those. Like it's not that difficult, and they're charging a lot. So just everything in general, they're overcharging people, and people are actually paying these. So don't be that type of person where you just go to the dealer and pay what they're asked. They ask absurd prices. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna end off the video right here. Kind of got the F30 running and driving, but it's still misfiring a little bit. So we're gonna go ahead, do some more tests on it another time. I ended up having to leave, so I apologize that I didn't record then and there. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead, head back over to Erlan's house one of these days, get it figured out, and hopefully it's not an engine failure. I'll go ahead and throw up a video of what happened after the fact, that we found, like after we replaced everything and checked everything out. We saw that there was like exhaust kind of coming from the engine. So normally it's not a good sign. It could mean like piston rings or scorched cylinder wall. That's what we looked up online. So we might have a blown engine on our hands, guys, but we're gonna do some more tests, and I'll let you guys know what happens in the next video. But yeah guys, let me know what you guys think down below. What do you guys think the problem could be? I really honestly don't have any idea. So I'm hoping it's not a blown engine, but worst case it is, and we're gonna have to replace it, swap it. I might have my boy Erlan swap it, worst case. But yeah guys, anyway, I'll stop talking. Remember to check me out on Instagram. Go follow me on there. Make sure to subscribe down below. Make sure to give the video a like if you enjoyed it. With that being said guys, remember, stay safe, stay happy, and stay in that project car. I will catch you guys later.